protect or impress literally can direct your life. If you live your days and your life in fear of what others will think, your decisions will be based on their impressions and their feelings and their opinions. Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited to meet you if you're new here, and I'm so excited that if you're already subscribed, then awesome. So what I want to talk to you about today, and you probably already know from the title of this video, and that is to stop fearing and stop thinking about what everyone else is thinking or doing. And I'm gonna go all the way to stop thinking or stop trying to impress your husband even. I mean, this can go all the way to your parents, to your friends, to people you don't know. If you're a YouTuber, to your viewers. If you're on Instagram, you have probably subscribers or followers that you don't know, but you gotta impress them. You gotta put out a prettier picture. So let's get into this video because I'm super excited just to give you advice to help you out, and hopefully you can learn from. Trying to impress other people can develop within you what that does to you and how can affect your life on the outside. And then we're going to get into how do you stop caring about what other people think. So many people have told me, how are you so happy all the time? You're always smiling, you're always so excited, you're always so happy. And honestly, I'm not perfect. I have my days where I'm just not feeling it. How I keep my emotions at bay, and how easy and simple it is really to do that. Okay, so I think it's pretty simple if you know that you're trying to impress someone or be somebody you're not, because that's just what you're doing. You're trying to be someone that you're not. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time on that because I can strongly say that probably all of us have struggled with this or have gone through this or unintentionally did something, made a decision, acted in some sort of way to try to impress someone, to try to make them smile or try to get them to like you, or try to not make them mad or angry, or try to not make them sad. And we do so many things just to keep people, their emotions at bay. Every one of us has really done this. And first I want to get into what it does to you. Why is it important to change? Why is it such a big deal to not care about what other people think? Why can't we just live the rest of our lives impressing this person over here, trying to make this person happy or sad, or not angry over here? Why? Why not? And my answer to you is because you want to live your life with your emotions all over the place. Imagine a world and a life where you can live most of the time controlling your emotions, happy, excited, with a smile on your face, and get this, it's not fake. You're not pushing it. And the reason I'm getting into this is because when you're trying to not push somebody so far to make them sad or cry or angry, of course I hope you're not making anybody cry, but or push them out of their boundaries, trying to be somebody you're not to get a job you want. I mean, be somebody you're not to get a girl that you want or a guy that you want. Be somebody you're not to make your husband happy. I mean, there's so many instances. It could be little, it could be small, I mean big. So, but when we're doing this, in the midst of all of this, we're not realizing our emotions are literally like waves being tossed to and fro, here and that. 1 minute we're happy, 1 minute we're sad, 1 minute we're angry. Now, I believe there's healthy emotions. I mean, if your friend is going through something, you have empathy for them, you feel for them. You want to be there for. It's the same way if there's something wrong, if someone is doing something morally incorrect, you may be angry. Your heart may feel sad or be angry for them. Those are healthy emotions. First of all, they should be having their own boundaries. They should be having their own healthy emotions. They should be recognizing their own, like I said, boundaries. So you need to deal what's on the inside with you, have your own healthy emotions, and not try to protect their emotions or their feelings or what they're doing. Another huge reason why you should change, to not try or feel like you have to please or protect or impress others, is because when you do these things, it literally has a huge impact on the decisions on your life. It literally can direct your life. And let me say this more clearly. If you live your days in your life in fear of what others will think, your decisions will be based on their impressions and their feelings and their opinions. Decisions are based on what this person said about you, what this person is feeling about you, or what you think this person may be feeling or thinking or speaking behind your back. So I want to lead you now into how can you change? How do you get to the point when you don't care about what others think, or what others are saying about you behind your back or in front of your back? Anyways, you guys get what I'm saying. You don't care. There's no care. And it's I think to everything, that there's a healthy side and there's a negative, not healthy side. There's a healthy caring and not healthy not caring. There's a not healthy caring and a not healthy not caring. Okay, everyone, so I hope you understand that healthy, unhealthy situation I was talking about. But to really put this deeper into your mind and develop a conscience of healthily not caring what people think about you or what you may think that they think about you. So here are some quotes to do just that. Some people say you are going the wrong way when it's simply a way of your own, by Angelina Jolie. I love this quote. A huge part of taking a stand to not care what people think about you is really putting your trust in God. Not only that, but every day living for God and not living to impress people. And so listen to this quote right here. Whatever you do, work at it with all of your heart as working for the Lord, not for human masters, so not for everybody else, since you know that you will receive an inheritance from the Lord as a reward. It is the Lord Christ you are serving. And this is coming from Colossians 3:23 to 24. Okay, so another great quote is, there's only one way to avoid criticism. Do nothing, say nothing, and be nothing. You cannot avoid it, guys. Everyone was created to be different. So you being different is not a bad thing. This is who you are. Embrace it. See where it goes and build on it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it spoke to you in a healthy way, and I just hope that it gave you joy, it gave you peace, and put a smile on your face. And not only that, but it put some wisdom in your heart and in your mind, something for you to chew on, something for you to think about and really develop in your own life. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Okay. Anyways, healthily, whatever that means. I'm just, yeah, that's what I am.